Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you what to do on Google Ad Manager if the status of your creative already says cleared, eligible for serving. What this means is that Google found out after their audit that your creative is no longer violating any policies. So it's clear from any malvertising, and now you can reactivate it and resume your activity. So if this is the case, it's cleared, but if you notice, it's still inactive, meaning Google Ad Manager will not have it resumed for you. You need to manually open the creative and resume it yourself. So if this is the status right here, you just go ahead and select the creative and click on Activate. All right, and then it's going to say active. That means you just have resumed the activity for this creative and keep things going.
That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!